the legendary 80 series. This particular model is HDJ81.
The VX Limited.
Okay.
Now, how would you know it's a limited? By looking at the cluster here. You've got the altimeter, you've got the compasses, you've got the sunroof in this car. Proper big glass sunroof that we have.
Now we are in the Land Cruiser territory.
Yeah, you know, see, look at it. This is just so beautiful. Imagine this leather was done almost 15 years back. And we had to go through some water bodies. See, for this off-road, no road, doesn't matter.
Yeah.
Knock knock. Something real, something raw, not accidental, no I'm sure. You're not needed, show you the door, but what's that, yeah, are you sure? Yeah, that's a rental, yeah, what a bore. Lying, nothing in your core. Buying, yeah, what for? But do what I need to, always sure. Something real, something raw, not accidental, no I'm sure. You're not needed, show you the door. What's that, yeah, are you sure? Yeah, that's a rental, yeah, what a bore. Lying.
So hello and welcome to Sasha Rides. This is Sasha and today we are gonna showcase you an iconic ride from its time. So this is the Land Cruiser 80 series, and this in my opinion is the best Land Cruiser which was ever produced. This car is not less than a tank, and all the specifications, the engine, the build of the car is just robust, and everything in the car is fully working and all. So this is the 60 series, which is the predecessor of this car. So this is also which we have for sale. I did a video of this particular car, and now we are making a video of this car as this car is sold, and this car is going soon. So I thought, why not make a video of this car? So let's start with the front of the car. So this car has these beautiful grills. The Toyota badging is there, and see, all the lights and everything is all original, not broken. Nothing is broken. Everything in the car is original. You can see Toyota. And this is Tamil Nadu registered car. This is valid, I think, till 2029. And see, so you can see all the badging of Toyota and everything. So this particular car is a 4.2 liter inline 6 diesel engine. You can see the diff locks and everything. This car is fully equipped here. So in the side of the car we have this 4-wheel drive badge, this, and on the side view mirrors, this is made in Japan by Murakami, if you guys can see. Yep, these chrome door latches, which was perfect from its era. I think this is a 96 or 97 model. And getting inside, we are equipped with all the leather interior and the wooden trims which we get in the car. We get a speaker over here, and we get all the controls of the windows and everything over here. Stepping inside is quite a climb. So see, everything in the car is absolutely amazing and in very nice condition. All the AC vents, all the switches, all of the dashboard, and see this. So this is the antenna buttons. This is down and this is up. This is the diff lock, and we get all the AC controls and everything over here in the car. This is for the suspension height and adjustability. Yeah, this one. So sports we can do in hydraulic. This is a hydraulic suspension, so sports setting and comfort both we have. And this button is for the AC seats. So we get heating and cooling system both in the seats. So this car comes with an automatic transmission, and see, there is something written in Japanese, and this is the high and low gear of the car, and this is the power mode button, and this is the second start button. Like if you are in snow or at some place which you are stuck and you want to get out, so you start the car in second gear and you can get out of it. So this car has done around 2,05,397 kilometers, all original, and we get the side view mirrors, adjustability buttons over here. So we get these compass and altimeter over here in the car. See this, and these are the controls of the sunroof. So the sunroof is quite big, and see here, all the car is in just perfect condition, and all the mirrors are original. Everything is in the car is original and taken care of. So this is the cup holder, one we get here and one we can keep here. So this is storage, we can keep some stuff over here and some in this compartment. One more cup holder we have here for us, and this is the glove box. The glove box is pretty big, and like the Pajero, we have a speaker over here and the speaker in the door panel. We also have the adjustable seat belts in the car. This is absolutely a tank, guys. This is just beautiful and very well kept car. So let's see how it feels to sit in the back of the car. As we are getting inside the car, we are greeted with an ashtray over here. One is over here, one is in that one, and stepping inside is a climb again. So we have this grab handle over here, making our climb easy. So yeah, the seat is all the way to the back, and still I have some amount of leg space. This is aftermarket, and the seats are pretty comfortable. We have a separate armrest. So this is a 3-seater bench, but if you want, you can turn it into a 2-seater, a very comfortable lounge chair, and you get 2 cup holders in the seats itself. So these seats are adjustable. This is pretty much it in the second row of the car. So moving along to the back side of the car. So this is the iconic tailgate of the Land Cruiser, and this was a 7-seater, but the back seats have been removed. These are the glass holders which we get in the rear compartment, and I think this must be the toolbox. These are the grab handles which we get in the back. So removing the rear seat, we have a lot of space in the car. Now let's show you the engine, and see, Rohan is sitting and chilling. I think only thing is missing is the beer. So closing this, we have to close so this is the proper way to close the tailgate of the Land Cruiser. And now let me show you the engine. So Rohan, tell you all the specifications of the car.
So hi, so this is a 4.2 liter inline 6, same as the 60 series, but an upgraded version with the turbo and the electronics all over the car.
Okay.
So this also comes with a 24-volt system.
The twin batteries.
Twin batteries, exactly. The engine is so healthy, you know, when it fires up just as you push the self. Not even a second it will take to fire it up. And
we usually say half self start. I think this is a quarter self start.
and secondly, the engine is so sound. You know, by that thing you can hear the compression, the amount of compression, the amount of thing that the engine has. See, And the Japanese OEM 1 lakh kilometer replace timing belt, and every 10,000 kilometers the check that has to be done. The Japanese stickers all are there in place. Secondly, these camshaft removal and installation, where the piston and the cylinder strokes are there, all are written in Japanese properly.
I think I shall tell you about the specifications and the numbers, some components of the engine. So see, this is the air filter which we get here in the car. This is the air filter. Diesel filter is over there, steering pump, power steering pump, and turbo. Where is the turbo? I think turbo is down there. Oil filter is over here. Diesel pump is over here. The turbo, I think it's down there. So this car comes in 4200cc inline 6 diesel. So this has around 167 horsepower, which was absolutely immaculate back in the day, with 270 Newton meter of torque, which is more than enough now also. This is a 5-speed automatic with steel bumpers in the front, steel bumpers in the back. From the company, nothing is out of the place or aftermarket. This is a beautiful car in its own, and a perfect off-roading expedition vehicle. We'll have a test drive. So let's hop inside the car. So hello, my friend. How are you?
Well, how are you?
I'm good. Yeah, how are you?
So you traveled all the way. I thought, let me give you a treat. So this is one of my beloved cars that I've had it for over a decade now.
Yeah.
And it's the 81 series limited edition, the VX Limited.
Okay.
Now, how would you know it's a limited? By looking at the cluster here. So it's got the diff lock, it's got the suspension settings, it's got the heat seat settings, it's got the antenna up and down. Back in the day, for up there's a button, for down there's a button. So for everything there was a button that you could actually close your eyes and just feel the button and press it, and it was a muscle memory. It was like a practice. Look at this. You've got the altimeter, you got the compasses, you got the sunroof in this car. See, there is a proper big glass sunroof that we have.
And it's proper working.
And mind you, this is a 96, 97.
96, 97.
So back in the day, imagine somebody who used to drive in a car like that, who he must be. No wonder they call it the Pablo ride.
The Pablo ride, yeah, exactly.
No wonder they call it the people who actually wanted to enjoy a lifestyle used to have these cars. And you know what? The fun and the experience of these cars today is all the more. It's gone like 10x when you don't see such machinery, such artwork on the road. Right now what you see on the road is great. You know, I don't want to disregard anybody's hard work, but if you compare it with what was there, the amount of safety you feel means you're in a tank. Literally, you're in a tank. Means I have to drive.
I can feel it right now.
I have to drive very, very slowly to ensure that you know I am safe for other people on the road. Forget about my own safety.
Yes, exactly. Other people are more safe when we are driving slow in this one.
Exactly. You know, so and see, the slower it is, the pleasure is more.
Yes.
It's like single malt. You don't gulp it down. You know, you finish one drink in an hour is how I, like to have my malt. You know.
True.
And that's the whole agenda around it. It's just so blissful. It's just so beautiful. And I can't even express. I can't even. Make you imagine how happy I am to be driving around in this machine today, because exactly 12 years back, this is the car that I bought.
Okay.
I remember I was in Kenya with my younger brother, and he took me to the Masai Mara in this particular Land Cruiser, and the moment I got in the signal zone, I called my person who used to
Now we are in the Land Cruiser territory.
See, look at it. This is just so beautiful. So I still remember, I just called him and I said that now the moment I land in India, I want a car like that. And he was kind enough to send the car over to the airport. And then I directly drove this car back from Delhi airport to Dehradun. So this friend of mine in Chennai is who took care of it. I really sent him a video today telling him that thank you so much because all these years in a place like Chennai where there is floods all the time, he took care of this beautiful car. You know, imagine the dashboard, everything is nice and clean.
Everything is clean and perfect
Means,
and condition.
look at the buttons. The buttons are not corroded. I see cars 2010, 12, 13 model. The buttons corrode. You can't even read what's written. Look at Japanese engineering.
Yeah.
Look at the gearbox. It's it's got the power button, the second gear button. It's just crazy.
Everything in the car is just immaculate and condition. Every single bit is working and it's perfect. Yeah, the leather is perfect.
Imagine this leather was done almost 15 years back.
15 years back.
Yeah, they were all upholstered by Stanley original leather, not the fake leather.
Yep.
You can see it, you
Yeah.
can touch it, you can feel it. And it's still the same,
Yeah.
I remember my grandfather, my nana used to tell me, Sasta roye bar bar, mehenga roye ek bar. So I always believe in the fact, mehenga roye ek bar.
Yes.
एक बार पैसे खर्चो, उस पेमेंट करते हुए थोड़ा सा रोलो, पूरी जिंदगी याद रखोगे that you bought something nice and of value.
True. This is Sasha signing off, and this is my buddy Rohan. So see you after some time with another classic and another thing. Yeah, and the recent buy which we had, I think day before yesterday, is the Hindustan Contessa. We'll share a video soon. We shall keep this for another video. So guys, if you like the video, make sure to like, share and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any car work or any query about some vintage or classic car, then we are here for you in Dehradun. We have all types of classics, all type of vintage cars and classics. So yeah, thank you, like, share and subscribe to the channel as more is to come. Bye bye.
Nah, mate.